Hey guys, today we're doing a new video. Today I am planning on changing the oil in my truck. Now, probably opened the trunk. Here's the thing. According to the sticker, I was supposed to do it at around 104,000 miles, or about last year. And we're a little bit over that at the moment. So, even though I already checked the oil, even though it isn't dark, I do still want to change it. I mean, it's been in there for a lot longer than it was supposed to be. Whew, it's hot in here. Let that cool down a little bit. But it's been there for over a year and I don't use it very much, but I don't know, I just want to do oil change. I've had the stuff for it for a while. I just figure it's time, honestly. I mean, it's been, what, almost a year? Over a year now? And yeah. So let's go ahead and check the oil again real quick, just to see where it's at. Last time I checked was about, I want to say 2 weeks ago, last time I checked. So we're going to find out right now. See how dark the oil actually currently is. I probably should have checked it before I put the truck on ramps, but it's already on the ramp, so I'm not going to take it down. So let's check the oil. Let's see. Okay, so it's not exactly black per se. It's more of the, what would you call that? Like a chocolate brown kind of color. I'm gonna replace it. I mean, like I said, it's been in there for over a year, and it is over the Walmart spec. So why not? I got all the stuff on here. Why not? And I also wanted to do the brakes, but I'm not sure. I do need help for that one. I'm just gonna be doing the front brakes for now. Those are the ones I can actually feel like compressing, kind of. So yeah, I'm gonna let the engine cool off a little bit because I don't want to get covered in hot oil just in case. So I'm gonna let it sit here for a bit, cool off, and then once the sun goes down a little bit more, I'll go ahead and hit on under. Which reminds me, yesterday I had found some coolant in the little puddle that's usually underneath this truck. The truck usually leaves a little puddle of what I'm guessing is oil. What kind? I don't know. It could be transmission or motor. I think it's the motor oil. I'm not sure. It could be transmission. Whatever it is, we're gonna hopefully fix it today if it is motor oil, because we're gonna, you know, replace everything. So yeah, got a new filter, got some new oil. I believe it said I needed 6 quarts. I don't know how much this is. This is 5 quarts. We got 5 quarts here. A little bit under spec, but you know, I believe I got some more at home, so I'll just put the whole thing in there and put the rest once I get home. And yeah, just go ahead and let that happen, and then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this cool off for a bit. I'm gonna head inside and just relax. What in the world? That is not 15. What is that thing? Oh. Rail even bigger, okay. Hey. Stop, there we go. Jeez. Alright. Now we hope it's enough. Now we hope it's enough. Hopefully it doesn't overfill this one. Shouldn't. Goodness. Yuma? Should have an extra cord in there, some extra cord storage.
That filter.
It's up here. It's easy. I'll get it right now.
What's up, Magda?
Hey.
Tinamita ako ni event, mo people would be getting in the church. And got a plan on and then I take the date and go that direction and go yeah.
Hi. Well guys, there you go. We did the oil filter and we just emptied the oil. Now all that's left to do is just to fill it back up. Hopefully we got the right one. Find out. That looks a lot better. So Wednesday. I'll just add the extra cord when I get home. Yeah, so where'd he go? Did it fall? Gee, I get that. There you go. Right. Turn it on. How are we looking? Underneath? Anything? Do it again. You gotta check it out when it's warm, no? I don't see nothing.
No?
All right. Successful oil change.